First, prep your eye with an eye base primer or a concealer. Using a white shadow brush, apply brown or nude color on your lid like so. Apply the second, more deeper brown shade color and blend it with a blending brush. And using this pigment or the ColourPop Supershock shadow, apply it at the middle of your lid, and then apply this glitter glue like so. Apply a loose glitter on top to make the glitter pop more. Use a gel liner to line your eyelid and then smudge it with a smudging brush. You could also use an eyeliner pencil or liquid eyeliner for more defined look. Finish it off with a mascara and false lashes of your choice. Then highlight your brow bone. Don't forget to bronze your face using a bronzer and to highlight your cheekbone with a highlighter. To make it even softer, use a coral shade blush and then line your lip up and then apply a nude lipstick. You could also add lip gloss, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have fun learning this quick and easy soft glam tutorial. For your questions, please feel free to comment it down below. All products I've used in this video are listed in my description box below. Feel free to check them out. I'll see you again next time. Bye!